I randomly uploaded a short video on my channel a while ago talking about Gada's foot and asking people if they know about Gada's foot. And then someone dropped a comment that I'll be putting up here and asked me that I should make a video on how to use it. The person asked, how is it used? It's been like 3 to 4 months that I made that content. I'm so sorry. I'm just replying now because I replied in the comment section and said that I'll make a video on that. I'm so sorry. I'm just dropping the video now. I have this video on my phone since, and instead of deleting it, I thought to use it to reply to that person's comment on how to use a Ikadas foot. So generally, this video is titled how to use a Ikadas foot. Now you can see me gathering this doll face fabric and I'm putting a finger at the back. The thing is, if you want your gathers to be very tight, like you want it very gathered, you have to put a finger at the back so that the finger can kind of be piling up the fabric at the back. But if you want your gathers loose, you don't want it too gathered, then you don't have to put this finger at the back. It will still gather. But I'm putting that finger at the back because I'm trying to gather a plenty, like a very long length of fabric into a small length of fabric, into a small waistline. That's why I'm putting that finger at the back. So the main reason for putting that finger at the back is to gather it very well. So depending on the inches you are trying to gather your fabric from and to, there will be like a measurement that you're gathering from and a measurement you're gathering to. Let's say you're gathering, like in this case, I gathered 4 yards of fabric into waistline of 27. So you can imagine I needed to put that finger at the back. Now, after putting the finger at the back to gather it, if you want it very gathered and you are still not okay with the result because it might not like gather to that length at once, you can still go back to gathering it again. Like you will see me now soon, I'll go back to start gathering again. You just have to pick up the one you've gathered and then regather it, like sew it again and make sure that you put that finger at the back. If you don't put the finger at the back, it will be, depending on the measurement you're working with, it will still be very bigger than the measurement that you want. So it's always advisable to put the finger at the back if you are gathering a plenty, like if you're gathering large fabric into smaller fabric. Now you can see I want to start gathering again because I've not gotten my desired measurement. I've not gotten 27 yet because, like I said, I'm gathering 4 yards, which is 36 in 4 places, into 27 inches. Yeah, so I had to regather it again. You can see that it's now looking smaller than it was when I did it the first time. So if you are still not okay with the length, like if you've not gotten your desired length after the second time, you can still go back to gathering it the third time. You can still do it the third time till you get your desired length. So this is what the gather's foot looks like. This is for industrial machine. There's gather's foot for industrial machine and there's gather's foot for manual machine. But this particular one that I'm holding is for the industrial machine and it's not expensive. We sold for like 3 or 4K right now. In fact, when I bought this, it's been a while ago. I bought this. I bought it for 2,000 naira, like 2 years ago or thereabout. I'm so surprised that some people don't know about this gather's food. In fact, I have a student that is so surprised. Like she was so surprised the first time I used this gather's food. So I just decided to make this video because I know that it will help a lot of people. So if you know that you make gather dresses, ball dresses, and the rest, please try and get. And you are not aware of this gather's food, please try and get this gather's food and save yourself the stress. So thanks for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, drop comment. Then have you watched any of these videos that are currently showing on your screen? They are amazing cutting and sewing tutorials. Trust me, you will like them, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.